So when I first came, he was back in the cubby, and he wasn't coming out for anything, but I came with treats, you know, to make friends. And so he finally did come out. You see him right now to have some treats. And he's eating some of them. He's got not one, but like 2 collars on. He was somebody's dog. It just looks like they didn't take care of him. You know, his fur is really pretty erect. He got one of the cookies and went back into the cubby because he needs to see out the sun. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. Here, I'll give you more. Yeah, come here. I'll give you more. Come here. He's very skittish, any sudden movement and he'll flinch. But see, he's wagging his tail now that he knows that I got food. Now if only I can figure out how to open this bag while I'm holding the camera on his face. Hey, there you go. There you go, sweetheart. You got it? You got it? Okay. Yeah. So we're making friends. I'm doing this before I get him out. You got it? You got it? Okay, he's got it. So that he's not traumatized when he gets out to go for a walk. Okay, so this is our first little video of Buddy, and his tail's wagging. Ah, look at you. Look. And he's friendly to me. He has not growled at me at all. He's giving me kisses right now. Yes, we're friends. Okay, so I'm going to go get somebody so we can get you out of here. Good boy. Good boy.